Enter the graphics on the configuration page. Select the graphics. Click Edit. Text. Bind the label. Click Save. Click Edit. Select Find and Replace. Click Find. All tag 2 in this graphic will be listed in the next volume column. Select Replace All. Let's check if the label tag is bound to tag 1. Select all label tags. Right-click to select the Replace Association tag. The initial tag is tag 1. The replaced tag is tag 2. Click OK. Double-click to see if our label point is changed to tag 2. Click Save. Click Online Debugging.